Got a little washer spring here. This goes on there and holds this guard on. So what you do is you got to go in the slot and spin it on. And for some reason I get 3 coils and it binds up. Well, considering it is a washer spring, I guess I'm not pushing down on the right spots. Anyways, using a small little screwdriver and a little pick to hold it down while I'm spinning it on. But after 3 coils, that 4th coil, it's not going. Anyways, if you have problems with a guard falling off on a Dewalt and can't get it back on, it's that coil spring. Later.